Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down Bitcoin's latest price action using Elliott wave analysis and discussing both bullish and bearish scenarios. Bitcoin is still range bound with no clear decision made yet. In the bullish scenario, Bitcoin must hold above 82,980s to keep the potential for an upward move alive. A break below this level makes a further drop more likely. The key resistance to watch is 86 and if Bitcoin breaks above this, it could signal the start of a new rally. However, for a strong confirmation, Bitcoin needs to clear $92,900, which would invalidate a potential triangle formation and shift momentum in favor of the bulls. On the bearish side, if Bitcoin falls below 81,400 ACE, it invalidates the bullish setup and increases the likelihood of a move towards 75,000. If the market remains weak and continues forming lower highs, a triangle pattern could be playing out, which means more choppy price action before a potential breakdown. Right now, Bitcoin is in consolidation, and short-term movements remain corrective. The next major move depends on whether Bitcoin breaks key support or resistance levels. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you found this update helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching.